Hello and welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Well, now we are getting some mega exclusive inputs from our neighboring country where Aleema Khanum, elder sister of Imran Khan, has now spoken to CNN News 18. She alleges that the massacre done by Pakistan Army in Islamabad is on the directions of Asim Munir, and peaceful protesters were actually killed by Pakistan Army who wanted justice. Now this is an exclusive input by Manoj Kumar Gupta. Now in a recorded visual also, Aleema Khanum, Imran Khan's elder sister, has spoken out and confessed about the massacre in Islamabad, blaming the entire situation to the Pakistan Army and Asim Munir for the killings of peaceful protesters. Let's hear from the Aleema Khanum first, and then we'll connect with our reporters for more insights.
Can you update me about the reports that hundreds of people are killed, but government is maintaining that only six are killed? We have seen ED ambulance going here and there. What is your...
Actually, at the moment, even after 24 hours, I'm in total shock. It is unbelievable. These were ordinary people. These are people who came. It's a constitutional right that they have to come to the capital to protest. They were sitting, we were there. There were families there. There were children there. There were women there. So these people don't come to they're not terrorists. They came for their rights, and they have a right to protest. And we were in the green belts, they were on the road in the middle of the night. I mean, tear gas is one thing. Even at 3:30 in the afternoon when we were there, I was given shells, which were like bullets. So these people came up to me and said that from the buildings around the main road, around the avenue, they were firing live bullets. They shot people. I met people who had bullets in their shoulders, in their legs, and this is in 3:30 in the afternoon. And then we tried, and then they turned off all the lights. They sort of hijacked the container which had lights and sound so they could guide people to move away.
Well, the situation in Pakistan is intensifying, and Akanksha is now joining us on the broadcast with the latest updates from the ground. Akanksha, very good morning. What more details can you share about Aleema Khanum's claims regarding the massacre and the involvement of the Pakistan Army?
All right, so these are exclusive inputs. You heard that exclusive conversation that Aleema Khanum, who is the elder sister to Imran Khan, had with our Group Editor Security Affairs, Mr. Manoj Gupta. And I think that entire conversation speaks for itself. There's an open admission by Aleema Khanum as far as the role that the Pakistan Army is playing, and not to forget the fact that it's a violent crackdown. The entire massacre, as Aleema Khanum has in fact also confirmed in that conversation, that it's over 300 people who have been killed. Most of them are Pakistan tehreek-e-insaf supporters. Remember, the government in Pakistan has been downplaying this entire crackdown. They've also been hiding the real figures in terms of how many lives have been lost. So Aleema Khanum, in fact, has gone on record to confirm that there are more than 300 lives which have been lost in this entire massacre. And she's of course gone on to blame the PDM government and Asim as well. Peaceful protesters have been killed by the Pakistan Army. All that they want is Imran Khan be released. Imran Khan wants all prisons. All right.
Right. Thank you so much, Akanksha, for bringing in all those inputs. We'll continue to track the story as the day progresses, and we'll try and find out how's the international community reacting to this intensifying situation in Pakistan. With that, it's a wrap from our side. Stay informed and stay tuned to CNN News 18. Thanks for watching.